Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you all. My name is Hamad Alshehhi and I am a second year PhD student at the National University of Malaysia. My goal is to present a research paper related to my thesis, which is titled The Impact of Risk Management on the Performance of Construction Projects. And I am writing the research under the supervision of Dr. Rozia Siddiq and Ermi Rosali. In this slide, I have mentioned the introduction part. There is a vital role of risk management in the construction industry. It influences the outcomes of the project along with its success. In this sector, risks are inherited because of scale, involvement of various stakeholders, and complexity. This research aims to investigate deeply the intricate association between the strategies of risk management and the overall performance of construction projects. Now I have mentioned the research questions and objectives, which includes to evaluate how early risk identification in construction projects is related to schedule, quality, outcomes, and cost. To quantify the measurable impacts of the various risk mitigation strategies on the construction project success in terms of stakeholder satisfaction, duration, and budget. This research is very important in the construction industry and the broader project management domains. Next, I have mentioned the theory. The contingency theory contributes valuable sides to acknowledging the dynamic interlink between risk management strategies and the project performance in construction. Moreover, at its depth, contingency theory and advances that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, strategies efficiency depends upon a given situation's exceptional circumstances. This theory becomes especially imperative in construction projects where unpredictability is ingrained. Slide 5 shows the agency theory and resource dependence theory. The agency theory offers a varied view of the risk allotted amongst project stakeholders in the construction industry. Moreover, within the difficult web of interlinks ingrained in construction projects, the allocation of risk, while the resource dependency theory contributes valuable insights into interlink and interdependencies amongst project stakeholders in the construction course by impacting the implementation. In this slide, I have mentioned the complexity theory provides an essential view in improving and managing risks within the difficult web of complex construction projects. Complexity theory generally asserts that systems such as construction projects are characteristically dynamic and incorporative. This assessment delves into how including the aspects of complexity theory can increase risk management methods by understanding and answer the ever changing project environment. Next, this study is based on a deductive research approach. It uses the existing theories and models along with the empirical findings presented in scholarly articles. The research design adopted in this study is a systematic review of existing literature. It aims for a structured and thorough investigation into risk management in construction projects. The data for the completion of this paper has been collected in systematic retrieval of the secondary data. So the findings underline the necessity of the contingency theory in recommending adaptive risk management strategies exceptionally customized to the complexities of construction projects. The findings assert the higher depth of agency theory considering risk allocation within the construction area. The examination upholds the relevance of resource dependence theory, especially its significance on stakeholders' interdependence in the area of construction industry. The exploration of risk management in projects related to construction highlighted a rich derivative from a synthesis of practical insights and theories. A convergence of real-world application and theoretical frameworks lies at the heart of this discourse. This exemplifies a symbolic association that can shape and redefine the practices related to risk management. In this slide, I have mentioned the conclusion and recommendations. In the ever-changing construction sector, effective risk management emerges as a cornerstone of the project success. This study accentuates the significance of the adaptive strategies finally tuned as per the project's requirements, transparent communication that bolsters unity among the stakeholders, and continuous learning regarding ethos. To optimize the risk in construction industry, practitioners must prioritize several key strategies. Firstly, cultivating a culture of adaptability is vital. Finally, the study's implications carry far-reaching prominence for different stakeholders in the construction industry. The practical implications, such as project managers, can include the identified theme to refine and gain their risk management practices. The study signifies that stakeholders' interdependence and mutual dependency have direct executions for decision making included in project planning and implications. Entities within the construction segment can utilize the study's implications. And this slide shows the reference list. Thank you for listening.